Email is not dead and will never be. I repeat, email is not dead and will never be. By email marketing only, many organizations are running well, and that too on a big scale. So, people who are claiming that email marketing is dead are actually wrong. Instead, email marketing is a powerful tool for earning revenue. With so many mails sent and received each day, the importance of emails are increasing day by day. Hi guys, my name is Shelly and I am a business analyst turned into an online marketer, and in this video we will talk about do's and don'ts of email marketing. So let's begin with the do's of email marketing. But before that, just grab your notepads, pen and paper, and also hit that like button, and please subscribe to the channel as well. So point number 1, do determine who will be on the receiving end of your campaign. Before you get started on an email marketing campaign, you must determine who you want to reach. So you need to build an email list that includes people who are interested in your products and services. But how do you get email addresses to begin with? The solution is simple. Invite them to subscribe on your website, either by using a subscribe button throughout the website or with an exit intent pop-up that will give them the option prior to leaving a web page. Okay, now comes the second thing. Do set your goals for yourself and for your campaign. Obviously, you all want to run a successful email campaign, right? And that's the reason you are here when watching my video. So for that, you need to set goals and then move ahead. You need to ask yourself what you want to achieve and how you plan on doing it. Some of the most common goals of an email marketing campaign can be attracting new subscribers, increasing engagement, or you can say satisfying the already existing customers so that they can be your regular buyers of your product. I mean, what's the point of running an email campaign without any purpose? So set up a purpose, satisfy the customers, and see how easily your goals would be accomplished. Okay, a successful email marketing campaign is not only about segmenting and automating the emails, but it is also about personalizing, engaging that satisfies and convincing the customers. Okay, the third point to do is use technology driven tools. Why I am saying to use technology driven tools is because with so many email marketing tools available in the market, you can take the maximum advantage. With email marketing tools like Aweber, GetResponse, you can monitor the growth of an email campaign. You can also have some great features such as automated email, through which your single email will be sent to a subscribers automatically. So adopt these tools and implement them in your email marketing campaign to make it successful. Okay, so you must follow the above given points and see how effective your results will be. So that was all about the do's of email marketing. Just like a coin has two sides, similarly every single thing has two sides to it, which we call as boon or bane, advantage or disadvantage, do's and don'ts, right? So now let's talk about the don'ts of email marketing. Starting with the first point, that is, don't bombard your subscribers. Many marketers send 2 to 3 emails per day, and let me tell you, by doing this you are actually giving your customers the reason to unsubscribe. While following up on your initial email, this shows that you have invested in your business and subscribers, but at the same time, sending too many emails will only turn readers off and increase your chances of getting marked as spam. This will also be very risky for your email marketing tools who don't really like spam and have strict policies for spammers. So A good way to plan the number of emails you send is to wait at least 24 hours after the initial one to send a follow-up. Once that is done, wait another 24 hours before you send another one, unless your reader answers with the specific questions, and in that case you should respond immediately. So don't think engaging with your customers by sending 2 to 3 emails in a day. This will not work, absolutely not. By doing so, it will have a bad impact on your business, on your brand. So better give time to your customers to think and convert into your actual buyer. It has actually been proven by many email campaigns that sending too many emails actually decreases the click-through rate. So make sure to run a good email marketing campaign. Don't unnecessarily bombard your subscribers with emails. Okay. Another point to be considered is don't forget to add a call to action button. A call to action button can be as simple as clicking on a link that leads to your website. Okay. No matter how great, compelling or engaging your emails are, but not adding a clear call to action link can lead to failure. After all, a single email is not enough to show your readers everything you have to offer. So don't forget to add a call to action button in your email. Now let's talk about the last one. The last point is don't overuse images. It is common knowledge that the majority of emails are opened on mobile devices, and because of limits on data usage, many people will simply disable images on their phone. If the aesthetic of your email depends on a large number of images, it may never be read. Also, images may take long time to load, and you don't want your readers' interest to drop as they wait. So add a couple of images, but make sure your message gets across in text form, because what matters is making people aware of what your product or service is all about. Okay. With all these do's and don'ts applied to your email marketing campaign, you will be able to monitor a successful campaign. And with that note, we have come to the end of the video. And at last, if you found this particular video useful, and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want to invite you to join my Facebook group. Link is mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right now. Okay. I look forward to engaging with you in this group. I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it so far. Cheers. Bye bye.